Hello boys and girls, I'm Miss Susan. Welcome to Story Time. Today we're going to start out by reading In the Tall, Tall Grass, written and illustrated by Denise Fleming. And I'll be reading it with special permission from Macmillan Publishing Company. Isn't that pretty? It looks like summer grass. In the tall, tall grass, crunch, munch, caterpillar's lunch. Can you do crunch, munch with your hands? Just like the caterpillars eating all the leaves. Dart and dip, hummingbird sip. Can you do this with your hand and be a hummingbird, darting and dipping? And here are some tubular shaped flowers that the hummingbirds just love, and these are called Florida red salvia. They grow really easily in your flower bed and they bloom all summer long, and if you have them in your yard you're liable to see some hummingbirds. And it looks like that's the kind of flower in the picture. Strum, drum, bees hum. Can you make a bumblebee buzzing sound? Bzzz, and bees are really good for your garden. Crack, snap, wings flap. Can you make your wings flap just like the crow? Pull, tug, ants lug. You know, ants can carry something much larger than their own body. They're actually very strong, even though they're quite small. Slip, slide, snakes glide. Can you make your hand into a snake slithering along? A snake in the grass. Rich, ratch, mole scratch. Can you make your fingers into a scratching, riching, ratching paw like a mole's little scritching, scratching paws? The moles are underground in this picture. You can see the roots of the plants up above them. Oh, and there's the caterpillar too. Skitter scurry, beetles hurry. And you can make your little fingers like beetles scurrying along. Zip, zap, tongue snap. Here are the toads and the frogs. Ribbit, ribbit. They're catching flies. Flies are what they eat. They've got a long tongue that reaches out to catch insects. Hip, hop, ears flop. Can you do your ears up and down like a bunny rabbit's? Stop, go, fireflies glow. Stop, go, fireflies go, glow. They glow in the dark and their lights come on and off. Usually they come out right at dusk, just as the sun is going down. You see them in the summertime, this time of year. Lunge, loop, bat swoop. You can stretch your arms out, make them like bat wings and go up and down, just like the bats. They also come out at dusk. That's when the mosquitoes are out, and that's when they eat. They sleep all day long. Stars bright, moonlight. Good night, tall, tall grass. That makes me think of Twinkle, Twinkle, Little Star. When the moon comes out and the stars come out, can you put up your hands and make them into stars with me? Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Up above the world so high, like a diamond in the sky. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Next, let's hear the story Barnyard Banter. This one's also written and illustrated by Denise Fleming, and I'll be reading it again with permission from Macmillan Publishing Company. Cows in the pasture, moo, moo, moo. Roosters in the barnyard, cock-a-doodle-doo. Hens in the hen house, cluck, cluck, cluck. Pigs in the wallow, muck, muck, muck. But where's Goose? I think I see Goose. Kittens in the hayloft, mew, mew, mew. Pigeons in the rafters, coo, coo, coo. Mice in the grain bin, squeak, squeak, squeak. Peacocks in the wire pen, shriek, shriek, shriek. But where's Goose? I think I see Goose peeking out from behind Peacock. Donkeys in the paddock, hee-haw-haw. Look who's running away. Crows in the cornfield, caw, caw, caw. Crickets in the stone wall, chirp, chirp, chirp. There's a cricket. There's a cricket. I see Goose too. Frogs in the farm pond, burp, burp, burp. But where's Goose? Do you see Goose? I do. Moo, 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 cock-a-doodle-doo, cluck, 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 muck, 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 mew, 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 coo, 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 squeak, 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 shriek, 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 hee-haw-haw, caw, 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 chirp, 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 burp, burp, burp. But where's Goose? There's Goose, honk, honk, honk. Goose was there all along. Let's sing Old MacDonald Had a Farm. Let me get out some of my puppets. How about we start out with Duck. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O, and on that farm he had a duck, E-I-E-I-O, with a quack quack here and a quack quack there, here a quack, there a quack, everywhere a quack quack. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O, and on that farm he had a pig, E-I-E-I-O, with an oink oink here and an oink oink there, here an oink, there an oink, everywhere an oink oink. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O, and on that farm he had a hen, E-I-E-I-O, with a cluck cluck here and a cluck cluck there, here a cluck, there a cluck, everywhere a cluck cluck. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O, and on that farm he had a cow, E-I-E-I-O, with a moo moo here and a moo moo there, here a moo, there a moo, everywhere a moo moo. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O, and on that farm he had a goat, E-I-E-I-O, with a bleat bleat here and a bleat bleat there, here a bleat, there a bleat, everywhere a bleat bleat. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O, and on that farm he had a sheep, E-I-E-I-O, with a ba-ba here and a ba-ba there, here a ba, there a ba, everywhere a ba-ba. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Thank you for singing that with me. I've got a couple of friends here who knows some other songs. I've got my little girlfriend and my little boyfriend, and they're going to teach you a song that's very, very old called Ring Around the Rosie. And if you have brothers or sisters or your parents or friends over, or even just some neighbors or siblings that you've been playing with, that you're allowed to play with, you can get together, hold hands, and sing the song and go in a circle together. And when you get to the end of the song, we say all fall down, everybody just drops down on the ground. It goes like this. Ring around the rosy, a pocket full of posies, ashes, ashes, we all fall down. That's fun. Let's sing it one more time. Ready? Grab hands. Ring around the rosy, pocket full of posies, ashes, ashes, we all fall down. That was fun. Here's one more called London Bridge. And two people put their hands together up over your head to make an arch like a bridge, and everybody else goes in a circle underneath the bridge. And right when the words get to My Fair Lady, you'll pull your arms down, the two people making the bridge, and circle around the person in the middle. And then that person gets to be part of the bridge next. And one of the original bridge members steps out and gets to go around in the circle. It goes like this. London Bridge is falling down, falling down, falling down. London Bridge is falling down, my fair lady. So now that person's in the middle. And you can say, build it up with silver and gold, silver and gold, silver and gold. Build it up with silver and gold, my fair lady. I'm so glad you've joined us for story time today. I hope you've had a good time. Hope to see you at the library soon. So long.